Getting the SQL from a Django QuerySet. How do I get the SQL that Django will use on the database from a QuerySet object? I'm trying to debug some strange behavior, but I'm not sure what queries are going to the database.
You print the QuerySet's query attribute.
Easy. For example, it should also be mentioned that if you have debug equals true, then all of your queries are logged, and you can get them by accessing connection.queries. The Django Debug Toolbar project uses this to present the queries on a page in a neat manner.
The accepted answer did not work for me when using Django 1.4.4. Instead of the raw query, a reference to the query object was returned, django.db.models.sql.query.query object at 0 by 10 A4 90. The following returned the query.
As an alternative to the other answers, Django Dev Server outputs SQL to the console.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.